Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial on this look. I was supposed to be doing Halloween looks this week, but I did get backed up with school, work, and some personal stuff, but it's okay. I'm still going to do it. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A that they're to create palette. Sorry, this is what it looks like. Oh, by the way, my nails fell off. Yes, I know, it's only been a week. I wasted my money. Let's just say that it wasn't worth it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead with this shade right here in the middle. I'm hoping you guys can see that. I did my face makeup off camera because I didn't want to make this video way too long, so I did my face off camera. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take that color, and just put it on the crease and just build it up. Yep. I was supposed to post last week, but literally I got really busy and I lost track of time, school, work, and it just, it was so much. I couldn't do everything. I was supposed to do this video last week, and I was supposed to do like a Halloween look like this week because it's Halloween like 2nd, but we're doing everything late because I'm Areli. But I won't be uploading a Halloween look till next week because I have another I have like a challenge this Saturday that I'm gonna be filming, so that'll be going up I believe Sunday, and trust me, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good video, so stay tuned for that. I'm just blending it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up and bring it a little bit up to the brow bone. Sometimes I wish I had the energy to do my makeup before school, but I don't know why. It's just I wake up for school and I'm like, man, fuck it, like I don't give a fuck how I look, and I look like shit. I'm so ready for the semester to be over with. Y'all don't understand how much I hate school, but here we are, going to college and shit. I'm sorry, this was the Morphe M441. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the brush. So then when I'm done with that shade, I'm gonna go ahead with this shade right here, and I'm using my brush from Wet n Wild, my blending brush, and I'm just putting that in the crease. And blending it out and bringing it into the lid, and then just going ahead and blending it out one more time. And then I'm going with my other brush that I use with the other shade and just blending everything together. So then with my Real Techniques brush, I'm gonna go ahead with this shade right here. It's October, y'all. Spooky season. With this shade, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the lid. And then just bring it up and then blend it into the crease. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Y'all, so this weekend I went to an escape room here in Tampa. It's like Tampa Del Maybury. And I did the asylum one. And y'all, that is such a good escape room. If you live in like the Tampa Del Maybury or like anywhere like close by, area, it's like, yeah, if you live anywhere close by, I really recommend to go to the escape room there. It looks kind of sketchy at first because it's like in a weird plaza, but do the asylum one because it was really good. I honestly thought it was gonna be boring, but it was really good. It's like a haunted house kind of, and it's good because, you know, we're in October, spooky season, you know, so yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here and this glitter shade right here. I'm gonna use a flat brush. So I ordered this stuff for the giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I should have it by like next week or so. So make sure you watch every video in the following weeks to be updated. I will announce the winner on my video. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead with that little brown shade that I used last and just go ahead and kind of clean up the edges so it doesn't look too rough. Okay, so that's it for my tutorial, my fall tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure that you stay tuned for more videos and my giveaway that I will be having in like probably like a week or so. Everything needs to be shipped. Well, I already bought some stuff. It's just I'm waiting for it to be delivered to my house. So once it is delivered, I will post it on my social medias. So make sure you follow me to get notified when the giveaway starts. And then I will announce the winner in my video once. Yeah. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends, your cousins, your tias, your tios, everyone to subscribe to my channel. And yeah. Don't forget to, I keep saying that, but make sure you stay tuned for this coming up video because trust me, it's going to be funny. It's going to be good. Trust me. You just want to watch it. Just a little FYI, I don't know if you guys have noticed this little poster over here. It's pictures. It's a poster with pictures of me. My boyfriend made it for my graduation. So, yeah, if you ever see that, that's what it is. No, I don't have pictures of myself hanging in my room, so it's kind of a little weird, but yeah, just letting y'all know so you guys know. Gotcha? Got it?